Okay, so now I've got my call schedule planned, I'm now ready to go in and actually schedule my campaign. So the first thing I need to do is click on the record a new voice notice. And from here I can select my interact that I want to send, and I can also add any groups or contacts that I want this message to go to. Once I've got that decided, I can now start entering the parameters I agreed upon earlier. So our start time, this is going to be for tomorrow, will be 10 o'clock. The next box to enter is when you want your first attempts to have ended by, which we decided earlier was going to be 12 o'clock. How many attempts we want in total, which is 4, and the duration we want to leave between each attempt, which we'd set at 2 hours. Over on the right hand side is the answering machine handling, which I was discussing before. So again, if you don't put anything in here, it will try and leave one on the first attempt. You can either instruct it to ignore answer machines or to leave it on the last attempt, which is the decision we made for today's campaign. Now all those settings are complete, I can click into the Advanced tab, and here I can instruct on my start and end times for my working day. This means that calls won't go out either before or after these times. So as they're all set to 8 o'clock, which is our end time, we'll leave that as it is. And we can now enter in the amount of agents we have available, which is 10. Over here I can change it to either roll over to the next day or to abandon all calls if it's not finished. And the final tab now is the call rules, which is where I get to alter any retry defaults for certain scenarios. The only one we're going to alter today is the engaged, and if it's engaged we're going to try back after 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're ready to send our call. Just scroll down to the bottom, click send now. We get a message telling us that it's generating any text to speech. And that the scheduling has completed. Okay, so there we go. Our calls are scheduled. Thank you.